Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will once again be trading a little binary option. As always, let's find some pairs to trade. Let's see here now. We closed on the top here because it's only 70. We want to have as much as possible for each trade. So we go for the ones with the highest percent. So that means, for example, if you invest $100 in a trade here now, you get $82 back. So the way we are trading, you can see here now, for example, one of the criterion is met, but the next criterion we need is this one. And for us to have taken a down trade on this one, we need this one here to be above the 70 line. Okay. The same in the bottom. If you go below the Bollinger Band in the lower end and we are below 30, that means we are taking an up trade. Of course, here now we can see that we are in a resistance zone, but I do not take this trade because I need at least stochastic and Bollinger Band to go in for me to take a trade, because it's a bigger chance actually we will break this one now, only because we are low in the stochastic. So this one is not a trade for me. I would have taken if it was down in this region, then I would have taken this trade. So like now, for example, now I'm following. Let's prepare for a $100 trade. Now we are getting very close to where I want to be. I think I take it there. Then we prepare. If it's a loser, we go in with one more. But we always need, now we need to wait 1 minute before we go in again, because so much will happen in 1 minute. So now we just need to wait and see what's going to happen. Also, below the video, you will find a link to this broker, exact this broker. This broker works worldwide, and it's my preferred broker. So now let's see. You can see now we have 30 seconds left. We wait till the timer goes to 0 before we go in again. Now the market is very quiet, by the way. So now let's see. Now we are in the money, you can see. That's why we need to wait, because we never know. At the current moment we are basically in 0. If we get a small push up, we win the trade. There we ended in, out, and we did end with, you can see here now, we basically going 0. So this was basically a 0 trade. We did not earn money, we did not lose money. That means we go back to 100. I do think I want to trade it again, but I want a smaller push more down, so I get a little better entry than I had. So I will only enter if I get a little better entry. So I think if we can, one more push down and I take it. One more push down. I only take it if we get like in this, there we have it, perfect. We go in, then we prepare if it's a loser, as always. This one I think will stick because we are in exactly in a very good support zone, but let's see. We need to wait more, 55 seconds. And you did see the importance of waiting. Like if you had gone out in with a 200 bet more on this another one, you can see it's better reset and start over. So you always need to wait till the timer says 0 before you start to take decisions if you're going to go in again. So now we need to wait more 30 seconds. And if it's a winner, we gain ourselves $82. Now let's see. But first we need to wait more 20 seconds before we have a decision there. Now we are deep in the money, but still we need to wait. If we can't count our money before the timer says 0. But yes, looks like this will be a winner. And yes, then but I think we can trade this again. The thing is, I do not like to trade something like this too often, because if you hit an area of support too many times, it's a big chance we'll break through it. So I think I will leave this currency pair away now, and let's go to another one to see if we can find one more trade today. Here, I does not like it that much. I need to, because I don't have any, I can't see any other area that is, it's a too much big move up. Okay, we can take it there. I did not like it so much, but let's see how this goes. The reason I did not like it is because we did not have an area that says that this is a support area. So it's a little scary. We can continue up. I would not typically have taken this trade, but let's see how it goes. Now it's more 44 seconds left. We were so much out of the Bollinger Band, so let's see how this goes. But this is not a trade I like to take. I rather like if you are in a region like here, for example, where you can see a clear resistance zone. Now we need to wait more 20 seconds. So but we have the two I need, the high stochastic, high Bollinger Band. But like I said, it's not a trade I typically like because I like to see everything in my trades. But we are prepared to go in again. And yes, you could see that that's the reason I did not like the trade so much, is because it was not clear for me. And when it's like this, you can continue up. So it was a bad decision to go in, but you learn from it. I knew it when I did push the button that I should not have taken the trade. So now we need to prepare. So you see now, we're pushing even more up. So that's the thing with these type of trades. It's better you can see a clear area of support and resistance before you go in. So now we need to wait more 20 seconds. And we are in again. You can see, this was a little fault by myself to take this trade from the start. I did regret it right away. I did push the button. So that's the thing, that this was a bad trade from me. When you go in with these trades, try to find 3 criteria before you trade. Like, okay, it looks like I'm only going to lose 2 times. But by the way, this is an error from my part. Of course, I will make money from it now, but it's something for you to learn from. That don't go in just because it looks nice. Wait, you need to have a clear support and resistance added to your stochastic and Bollinger Band. So these 2 losers was not necessary. But like I said, we will still turn profit. I will see how much we basically, as it's only 82%, 85%. I don't know how much we actually we did earn from this trade. We did earn 82 from the first, but I will not count that one now. No, we will count only the last trade and see how that goes. Minus 100, minus 200, minus 400. That's the cost we had. Yeah, and we had 740. So we made only $40 on this trade, and that was so unnecessary. So let's see if we can find one more trade. Let's go back to 100. Here I like a little more. if we can come down to around this line just you see here, that would be a very good entry. This line is actually, this white line you see there, that's from another day from me. So that's only show that you can see past support resistant. They are valid even today, you see. And I think this was many days ago I did make this line. So now let's see, we are prepared to go in. We go in there. Let's prepare with one more. I should have waited. That now actually would be the perfect entry, but let's wait and see. Now we need to wait more 20 seconds. More 10 seconds. We are prepared to go in again if it's a loser. I'm not sure. Did it become a loser? Okay. Then we go in again and we prepare for one more. Now let's wait and see. Now we need to wait again 47 seconds. So that's basically how I'm trading. It's that I look for support and resistance zones, added with the stochastic, added with the Bollinger Band. And that's the way I love to trade. So even though this first trade was not 100% perfect, was still a good trade. So I did like it much more than the another one we did see over here. So now we need to wait more 16 seconds. And then this will be the last trade for today if it's a winner. We just need to wait more 5 seconds. So if you take just calculation of this trade now, we made $70 on this trade. So that was much better. So for a recap of the trades for today, I don't count, this is just some playing in night. So let's take from this, let me see. Yeah, we start with this euro against dollar. So then we have $82. Then we take minus 700 plus 740. Then we take the last trade, minus 300 plus 370. So we made a total profit of $192. That is based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. So we can say 6 minutes then. So I would say that's quite decent. So I hope you did learn something from this video, what not to do, even though we had full control. Is just so it's pure, so you can learn as much as you can from these videos. That the second trade I did, where we did go high, try to find positions like this where you have a clear support and resistance for your trades, added with the stochastic and the Bollinger Band, you will do so much better. So with that,